This is healthy. The utilization of solar energy. Since technology and economics have improved, people turn to use more kinds of resources to produce energy, including non-renewable resources and renewable resources in recent years. Non-renewable resources are kind of natural resource that can be reproduced during a short time after exploitation, such as minerals, oil, gas, and coal. They have a big portion in the growth resources, and people grasp a more perfect technology to use them. However, most of them cause a series of environmental problems. Whilst the gas, which comes from gas, oil, and coal, pose a serious threat to atmosphere. More carbon dioxide can cause higher temperature and lead to the rise of the sea level. On the other hand, renewable resources are kinds of resources that can be reused or can be regenerated and recycled in a short period of time. They are more eco-friendly, but people need more natural technology to use them. One of the most popular renewable resources is solar power, since it's convenient and permanent. More and more countries turn to invest in it to produce the pollution-free energy. A classic example is China. Because its vast land area, China has abundant solar energy resources, and the government has already trying to take advantage of it. Solar energy is a resource that is more convenient, safer, and eco-friendly for people to produce heat, electricity, and power. It is based on radiation energy from sunlight. In addition, wind energy, chemical energy, and hydro energy also belongs to it. In ancient times, people already knew how to use solar power to make some food. Today, with more advanced science and technology, the use of solar energy has become extensive. Compared with the non-renewable resources, solar energy has some advantages in long-term development. Firstly, solar energy is more widespread. There are no geographical restrictions. Whether land or sea, mountains or islands, each inch of land is lighted by sunlight. Unlike coal, oil, and gas, sunlight need be carried. Solar energy can be directly exploited and utilized by each country all over the world. Secondly, solar energy is a pollution-free resource. It is one of the cleanest energy. No waste gas, like carbon dioxide, is discharged when solar energy produces heat and electricity. Thirdly, there is a huge amount of solar energy. Every year, the amount of solar radiation that can reach Earth is equal to about 130 trillion tons of coal. Finally, it is permanent. Although both of the Sun and Earth have a limited lifetime and they will eventually disappear, they are permanent when compared with humans' lifetime. The hadron capacity is enough to maintain billions of years, and solar power is inexhaustible. Solar energy is a kind of a resource that is very useful. However, there are also some obstacles to develop solar energy. Instability, inefficiency, and high cost are three main problems to make use of solar energy. Solar energy is dispersal, although the amount of solar radiation that can reach the surface of Earth is very huge. The average distance is at a low level, and Moon in summer near the Tropic of Cancer, 1 square meter can accept about 1,000 watts of solar radiation, and the number is just half in winter. So when people prepare to use solar power, we need to think about how to get more higher transport power. That always needs a very large collect and transport facility. Solar energy isn't stable because the amount of solar power is affected by day and night, different seasons, geographic latitude, as well as weather factors such as snow and wind. This makes large-scale application of solar power more difficult. In order to solve this problem, people must deal with the energy storage. In conclusion, solar power exists everywhere of the world. It has no threat to humans as well as the environment. Its huge storage can provide enough energy for people to use for many centuries. What we should do is try our best to overcome the difficulty of developing solar energy and bring the resource to the public. Thank you.